In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add inside bar strategy in TradingView Pro. We'll walk through this together step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. Make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have any chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is exactly the same. First, look at the top of your chart for the indicators button. Depending on your layout, it's usually near the top toolbar, labeled indicators or indicators and strategies. Go ahead and click on that. This opens the main indicators window where you can search and browse all the built-in tools TradingView offers. Inside this window, you'll see different categories down the left-hand side or along the top, such as favorites, built-ins, and strategies. What we want is the strategies section. Strategies are a bit different from regular indicators because they allow you to backtest and see hypothetical trade entries and exits directly on your chart. So next, click on the strategies category. Once you're there, you'll see a list of strategies that come pre-installed with TradingView. You can scroll through the list, or if there's a search box at the top, you can type in inside bar strategy to find it faster. Now locate the inside bar strategy in that list. It should appear as one of the built-in options. When you see it, simply click on it once. As soon as you do, the strategy will be added to your chart automatically. You'll notice a few things happen. Your chart may now show entry and exit markers where the strategy would have taken trades based on inside bar patterns. At the bottom of the screen, a strategy tester panel might appear, showing performance metrics like net profit, number of trades, and other statistics. This is where you can evaluate how the inside bar strategy would have performed on the market and time frame you're looking at. If you want to customize it, you can hover over the strategy's name in the chart legend and click the settings icon. Here you can adjust parameters such as risk, filters, or other options provided by the script. After changing settings, give the chart a moment to recalculate so you can see how those adjustments impact the results. That's all you need to do to add the inside bar strategy in TradingView Pro. If you haven't signed up yet, use the link in my description to sign up and follow along exactly as I've shown.